Okay, we're making some headway. So we took a 2x8 yellow pine and took off the edges because it wasn't full. There was some weighing on it anyways. As you know where the round tree comes in, it just didn't have enough material. Which actually worked out good because then we could bring them down to like 5 inches. So 1.5 inches by about 5 inches, 3 of them, pretty close to 5 inches. Very careful to miss any nails that did not come out. Very important. I did not want to ruin my blade, putting a good nick in it or anything. So it's getting exciting because we got 3 of them on, 3 boards on, and we're ready to put the other side on to kind of keep it, because these want to bend out. This metal's kind of slanted right here, so they want to come in this way. So we put the other one on. Now we fasten the support here, and that really holds this one real good. So that was very helpful. Okay, so we're going to try to put the other end on, hold it up there, and try to start screwing them in. And then we're going to have to get this bolt out for some reason. We did get this one out before, but we'll get that off. It's a really nice bench. I mean, it's got some really nice metal work on it. So it's going to be one heavy-duty seat. And it's looking really cool. So let's see how this all turns out. But and this is something that was getting thrown away, salvaged. So really nice. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, and this is working out really good, having the bench top table saw right here, because I can adjust the angles. Because some of them, like right here, you have to do a little curving there so that'll, brings it tighter. You don't want to just, if you do it straight, there's a little big gap there. So, and then when we do this one, that's going to require probably a little bit of, well, maybe not. Maybe a straight one will go in there. We'll see. Okay, let's keep going.